PHIVOLCS advises residents in areas transected by the active West Valley Fault not to ignore warning of possible major quake. It says they must seriously take account of the disaster preparedness being pushed by concerned government agencies. This as PHIVOLCS and MMDA started placing thermoplastic markings on areas that are directly above the fault line. Christine Santos with the details.
The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology and the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority have started marking areas which are directly traversed by the West Valley Fault. 12 barangays in Taguig were marked with thermoplastic markings which will last up to 5 years. Included are the Barangay Pinagsama, North, South, and Central villages.
Ito magiging sagabal lang natin, tagulan ngayon. Siguro pag-uulan, titigil, gano'n. May daily reminder ka ng yung peligro at nandun na rin yung paghahanda. Yun yung gagawin din natin sa July 30, yung drill sa lahat.
If Rosemary's family chose to leave their present residence, she said they will still reside in Manila.
Siguro dito din, hahanap na lang ng lugar na alam mong septic ka din.
Ernesto's 3-story house is located on top of the West Valley Fault, but he said they don't have plans to abandon their home. Other than this, they don't have anywhere to live in.
Hindi po ako aalis. Wala pa po kaming malilipatan, saka dito po ang trabaho. Nalilipat kami malayo, wala naman trabaho, dito lang muna. Saka wala pa naman nangyayari. Kung may nangyari, saka kami lilikas po.
Lisa is currently renting her place and decided to move to her relative's home in Mandaluyong.
Well, meron naman akong mga kamag-anak somewhere in Mandaluyong na wala namang fault line. Kaya sabi na doon muna daw ako tumuloy for the meantime.
The local government unit of Taguig has not formed a plan yet in connection with the assistance which would be given to residents who flee from their homes.
Sa ngayon po, ang unang paabiso natin sa kanila, ininformahan po natin sila na protektuhan sila, kagaya naman nung sinasabi at pinapayo ni Director Solidum, para makapaghanda tayo, yung integrity ng bahay, kaya bang i-withstand yung ganun kalakas na pagyanig, no? At kasama na doon yung options sa ibinibigay natin sa kanila. Ang paghahanda nasa gobyerno at nasa mga tao din naman.
PHIVOLCS continuously reminds the public to take the preparations for the quake seriously.
Dapat maipaunawa sa kanila kung ano yung panganib ng pagbitak ng lupa, pero sa lahat ng residente, hindi lang dito, pati na sa buong Kamaynilaan at karating na probinsya, malakas na paghinig talaga ang kailangan tingnan. So, pag umalaw yung lupa, mabibitak, pero sabay ng yanig. Mas matagal yon. So, kadalasan at karamihan ng mga bahay, kung mahina, yun yung cause ng pagbagsak.
The agency will continue to put marks on areas which would be affected by the West Valley Fault.